2 weeks. Huh. 2 weeks. We're doing the Masonic hand signs for the 2 week celebration. What the fuck is up? We survived 2 weeks on raw chicken. How is that possible? I'm feeling good. What is going on? Here's the 2 week celebration with the chicken titty. So here's a little update, guys. How did the 2 week go? But first, let's taste the chicken titty. It's the same as every other day. So pretty good. So 2 weeks. Here's my conclusions this far. Really easy to digest. The chicken, super easy to digest, raw chicken. I had bloating one time this week, which was not from the raw chicken, I think. Because after I eat the raw chicken that day, the bloating was gone. Cure for bloating, raw chicken. Other days, no issues with the digestion. Very flat stomach. Flat stomach again. Shit. We all like flat stomach. That's always nice. My camera setup sucks. Please. There we go. We can hunch a little bit. What else? Digestion easy as fuck. 0 farts for raw chicken. I got some burps here and there, but they're probably not from the raw chicken. Poops, really easy. Once or twice a day, small quantities. Comes out really easy. Almost no wiping if you do that. If you use the water, that's probably better way to clean yourself after taking a shit. But wiping is pretty easy with the raw chicken. You only need a couple, and that's that. No diarrhea, not even once in these 2 weeks. No constipation. What else? Second conclusion. My skin is really good. Skin health and like nails, teeth, hair, they feel really good these 2 weeks. Obviously there's other stuff going on. A lot of sunshine. I eat a lot of other probably pretty healthy food. Let's do it like this. What else? So, digestion, really good. Raw chicken, really good for the digestion. Skin health. And overall, like teeth, nails, hair, everything now like that is like probably the best it has been since my teenage years. my back acne. I thought about last week's update video that I had for many months before this experiment, and this is one reason why I wanted to try this, because it's not normal to have back acne, let's be honest, or acne of any kind for months. That's one way your body signals you're fucking it up, son. You gotta change up. You gotta listen to your body's signals. It is always right, I think. And the acne, like I don't have any in the shoulders anymore. I used to have quite a bit here and there every day. And I have linen bed sheets that are kind of white. Linen, that's pretty good material for the skin, I think, for the clothes and bed sheets. Very natural. Pro tip. So many months when I had the acne, also my bed sheets would get this yellowish color, like this yellowish stuff was coming out of my body quite a bit. Obviously not every night it's complete yellow, but like in a couple of weeks I would have to wash the bed sheets because they would get kind of yellowy. Yuck. And now that was in winter in Finland. I was not sweating like that at all. But now I don't have any of that. And it is summer. So that's one thing I have noticed. And I'm really happy about. What other things? The mood. The raw chicken, it gives you this little like this. It's small and weak like a chicken. So it's not like this crazy energy you get from coffee or sugar or anything. It's this calm little. And that's about it. We can have a little bit more chicken titty. I do like titties. Chicken make my testosterone go a little cray, little crazy. I think so. It's not affecting it negatively, I think. Let's have a little bit of this. So the mood is kind of stable, mellow, a little bit oomph. But for example, this is only like protein, no fats or carbs. So that's what you would expect. Overall, like the mood is, you don't get these depressed feelings from the chicken ever. You always feel like sane, normal, just calm and good, I would say. Like, just go on with your day. It's a positive experience, because sometimes when you eat some food and you pay attention to your body and your mind, you eat this one food and like 30 minutes or a couple hours later you're like, why I start to think this depressed thoughts, like this one thing that was troubling me 2 years ago, or old breakup or something. Like, what the fuck am I thinking this right now? And then you're like, oh yeah, I ate some watermelon or something. Usually it's fruits for me. I eat pretty clean now, but many people it could be I don't eat any processed food anymore or that shit. But sometimes I get it from the fruits. Maybe. I'm like, People talk about when you eat sugar and carbs, your emotions go kinda wacky whack. But when you eat meat, animal based, you just locked in. Ready to kill. But kinda happy still. Like nothing's bothering you. No worries. Still like the fruits. Got some watermelon there. But sometimes they make you kinda wacky whack. I was a fruitarian for a couple weeks. Did a 7-day juice fast. That ended horribly. Would not recommend. I was as skinny as a skeleton. Kinda shredded though. Still had a little bit of muscle. I kinda always have big muscle. And I build muscle easily. Raw chicken builds muscle pretty easy. You can feel it. It digests very quickly, I would say, the raw meat. You feel it very quickly usually. Sometimes with the raw beef, it kinda sits in my stomach a little bit. I think it's the source of the meat, but with the chicken, it's always the same. I always get the best quality chickens I can get, and I have not had any issues with that chicken. Sometimes with the beef, it sits in the stomach a little bit. I don't really like that, but usually that's pretty easy too. And with the beef you get a little bit more like this, even like a little bigger. Like, who cares about the muscles though, but I'm just saying how it feels. You get this little boost, a little bit more than from the chicken. But I like the chicken, it's very neutral, like just baseline good. That's my experience with the raw chicken this far. Check out the other episodes for more yapping about our fucked up society, fucked up nutrition system, who follows the food pyramid. Do you wanna be a slave? And mentally unhealthy. Follow our government's food pyramid. Why it is a pyramid? It's easy to kind of see what's going on. I should make a food pyramid. That's maybe after 1 month of raw chicken. I'm making all kinds of pyramids out there, figuring out how the Egyptians built the Grand Pyramid of Giza. That shit is fascinating. Maybe raw chicken makes me unlock some new based knowledge in my brain to get the secrets to the ancient mysteries. That would be cool. I would like to build cathedrals and pyramids and stuff. But anyways, that's the 2-week update. One more bite. I'm starting to think it's a lie they say about raw chicken. I think it's starting to be pretty healthy. But who knows? More science needed. That's why I'm here. And you are watching. See ya. Thank you, raw chicken. You the best. Let's see, do the ducks love raw meat. We got a lot of ducks here. Do they like raw meat? I got some raw meat for ducks. Oh, duck love raw meat. No raw meat. Do you want more? Is it a too big piece? Let's try another duck. Ducks, here's raw meat. The ducks don't like raw meat. Maybe the piece is a little bit too big. Raw duck would be kinda nice though.